Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through verifying your identity and address on Google AdSense. First, let's discuss why verification is crucial. It ensures that your AdSense account is secure and legitimate. You'll need a few documents handy: a government-issued ID and a utility bill or bank statement showing your address. Ready? Let's get started with the verification process on your AdSense dashboard. Click on Settings, then select Account Information. This is your gateway to verification. Finally, upload your ID and utility bill and submit your verification. You're almost done. After submitting, check your email for a confirmation. This can take a few days. If you face issues, ensure documents are clear and up to date. Resubmit if necessary. Once approved, your AdSense account will be fully functional, enabling you to earn from your content. Remember, keeping your information updated enhances your account's credibility. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more digital marketing tips and tutorials. Happy earning with Google AdSense.